welcome back to my channel. So they've written like the very first one is the lighting express art. Most of that, and it also next key ingredient is that so CLG is CLG is rich. So CLG is rich in amino acid. So CLG is rich in antioxidants and amino acid, and it also is the production of melanin, which improves your hyperpigmentation. Hey my loves, and welcome back to my channel. How you guys are? I hope you guys are doing really great in your life. You guys are doing really great in your life. So in this, the face wash contains tea tree bits, and you will be getting a vegan kajal free of cost. And I'm gonna take, which helps your skin to protect from UV rays, from the radicals. Free radicals is something when you're so I have picked up these products by the brand Plum. The air pollution and what to say, review, try on products, and this is my first. So there is something called melanin. There is something called melanin. UV rays, air pollution. It protects your skin, and environment friendly hair. So as a brand, this one is by their this one is the night gel of Plum, which is also reduces fine line and wrinkles face, so that it can protect our skin. So and protect your skin from sun rays. So it will add the barrier onto your skin, so that the external where you get a sharpener free of cost with it, where you also get a sharpener free so I have the activated charcoal range with me, which includes a face wash and a face mask, and anything from the animal cost. So you should definitely know about the brand. This one is their Renovate. So this one is their Green Tea Renovate Clear Clarity Night, and this product is special. I have their 3 of the product with and dry skin people can use this in the it's their glow getter mask, and it has chamomile, white tea, so it says that the signs of being good, that's what us for. Like if you apply any mask, your skin will little bit, you feel that burns itself. So I'm definitely going to use it with you all today. जो हमने हमेशा हिमालय this on your hand, and if you let it this says okay but so in this face wash this face wash a face scrub, as you can see. And the next product in the list is these. So the texture of the product is like quite sand type. When you mix some amount of sand with water, okay. I feel like whenever the sole so इसका जो smell है, it smells like जब the entire range I like. So that is it with my detailed review. Our channel, give this video a very big bye. And it is an Indian brand. Healthcare. It's hot. This is a brand for women. This is a brand made woman to woman. If you are smell sensitive, they have told me to, you must be when if you don't know that what are the products you should go for, and you want to consult a doctor then I changed that, and then I ordered another one. When you fill up all the so niacinamide needed, I'm going to talk about and also which purifies your skin and mask fades marks, and also so the face wash, what I before using this product, it feels that we need a mask to put on for देती हूँ कि Sen Botanica is an Indian Sen Botanica manufactures their products class 8 probably. So at that point of time, I have been हाँ भूको सब लोग, अभी भूको, वीडियो बनाना है, अभी ही सब लोग तैयार हो जाओ, चुप हो जा। क्या था, भोग लो भाई, तुम लोग ही भोग लो। Now I've talked about there are some reasons that you need your vitamin. So I'll read out some of them, like you. It's a very, very good thing. Till then, bye, take care, and I love you.